Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we've got a 1957 Ford Country Sedan. This casting is by Matchbox and is part of the Moving Parts line. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the 57 Country Sedan out of its box. I didn't understand one thing, it's called a sedan but it looks more like a wagon. I don't know why Ford named it a Country Sedan. Maybe just having some fun with the name. Apart from that, it looks really good. Has got some really nice paint on it. You can see that two-tone white and blue looks really good with this yellow paint dividing both of them, I guess. Says Country Sedan in the back. You've got detailed door handles, which again looks good. We have seen these wheels on so many different Matchbox, especially which are trying to mimic or show an older car. And they do look like hubcaps from that olden era. As I said before, it does look like a wagon. So you've got the two doors here and the big window in the back. But let's move to the front now. So up front, some good details here again. You've got detailed headlamp. You've got Ford written in the front. You've got a chrome grille. Hood opens up, which will come at the end. You've also got the small trim piece here. You've got the windshield wipers. Does miss out on mirrors though. Don't see even one. Coming to the passenger side, looks almost identical. Can't see any difference. And this is how it looks from the back. Again, good details here. You've got detailed tail lamp. You've got the, I think it's the for opening the rear gate, tailgate. You've got that detailed. You've got chrome bumpers, and you've got the small pieces. I think most older cars had that, so if you bumped into one, it wouldn't just go in, like on a small accident, not a big one. And this is how it looks from the top. So you can see like the slight difference. Rear is slightly raised. I do like the windshield. You won't see that in modern cars. And the interior seems to be finished in beige. It still has a 5-seater. It's not a 7-seater or anything. It's still a 5-seater, but yeah, it does have a big boot, just like any wagon. Now, it does have an opening hood, so let's open it up and see what's inside. So this is how it looks, the underhood or the engine bay of the casting. It does have some parts. Most of them are not detailed, but looks like engine block is detailed or engine is detailed by itself. So we do have some details here, and this is how the hood opens up or the bonnet opens up. It's on the other way around, not like what we have these days. Yeah, so it does have nice opening hood, nice details there, and looks really good, like a classic car should. Well, should you get one? If you can find one, of course. Depends on you too. So if you like older cars, I think this looks really good. Has some nice finishes, nice details, and will go good with most of the older cars. And you don't really find older wagons. You mostly find Mustang, Camaros. These are nice to have. Well, that's all for the day. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.